So let's rewrite the definition, properties of log. We can prove this one using what? Convert formula, am I right? Do you remember, right? And what is convert formula? Where is it? Where is yours? Wait. Is it? No. No. This one. No. And this one. Yes. Okay. Am I right? So this one is exponential form. This is the logarithmic form. Yes? Any question about the formula? So everything we know, yes? Good? Okay. And then that's the summary. You have a question? No? And then let's go to one of the example. Doesn't matter about around this page. Consider. Okay. Domain. Do you remember when I introduced, maybe you have to check your note, previous note. What was my definition? When I introduced log function, f of x equal to log a base x, when your condition of a should be positive and not equal to 1, am I right? And x should be what? Anybody remember? When I make a definition, what condition you have to, your x needed to be satisfied? No. Go to note. And go to note. Or your book a little bit differently approach. So anyway.
It can't be negative? Or no, it can't be.
Your x should be what? I write down last time. Anybody has a? What is definition?
F of x equals C A.
I don't include the c, right? Original definition of a log function is what? F of x equal to log a base x, where a is what? A should be
Greater than 0?
right, and a should not be 1, right? And also what? X should be
Greater than 0.
very good. That's the important. So you cannot put any number 0 or any number negative. Do you understand? Okay, and then trivially you can answer.
0 to positive infinity.
0 include or not include?
Not included.
Very good. Good job. From the definition, right? So from the definition, what's the domain of f? 0 to infinity. Am I right? And what's the yeah? What is the domain of g? Same thing. Any log function. Am I right? Yep. Yeah, very simple, easy. Now, number 2. Below. How are we gonna set up the table here? So your x need to be chosen from what? Above than 0, right? So I will pick up, because your base is 2 or 1/2, so I want to pick up some number like 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, and then 1, and 2, 4, 8, like this. Okay? You can of course choose da 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 or da 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 da, but let's choose. Okay. Now, what is f of x when your x is given as a log 1/8? So here, let's go. Log 2 base 1/8 equal to what? How do you figure out this number?
Trial numbers? No.
Using what? Hmm?
You convert it.
Which formula? Convert formula, right? Yes. So here, to fill up here, log 2/1/8 set as what? Let's say y. Am I right? Am I right? And then, how do you figure out y? He already talked about convert. And then from log form to exponential form. What is the equivalent to exponential form? Huh? Formula there.
2/1/8.
2 what?
2 to the power 1/8.
Nah.
2 to the power y
Y equal
equals 1/8.
1/8. Am I right? 2/8 has some relation by base 2. Am I right? So rewrite to 1/8. 2 to the y equal to 1/2 to the cube. Am I right? Am I right? To the what? Good job. So compare this one and this one, same base. Am I right? So what is y? Good job. Isn't it? That you did in college algebra. Nothing new. Am I right? Yep. Keep going same. So this is -3. How about this? Again, log 2/1/4 set as a y. How do you solve y? Convert, right? Am I right? So what? Equivalent form is what? What? 2 to the y equal to
1/4.
1/4. 1/4 is what? 2 to the what? Good job. So what is y? Yes? You follow me? I don't want to go here. Log 2 base 1 set y. Convert. And then what? What is the equivalent exponential form?
2 up to y
Equals 1.
equals
1 means what? 1 means 2 to the 0. Am I right?
yes.
So what is y?
0.
Good. Yeah? It's good? How about this? Log 2 base 2. Back. Set y. And then what is convert form? Convert.
2 to the y equals 2.
So 2 means what? First order, right? So what is y?
1.
Good. Same thing. Log 2 to the 8 equal to what? Set y. Convert. What is it?
2 to the y equals 8.
8. 8 means what? 2 to the what?
2 to the third power.
Good. So what? Y equal to?
3.
Good. So you can do whatever, right? How to? By after converting, right? Yeah. So here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We got it. Yes? Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
This function is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing?
Increasing, yes. Remember that what is base? What is base? What is base?
Two.
2 is greater than 1. Am I right?
Yes.
You understand? Okay, let's go. G. What is base? What is base? G. What is base of G?
Where is that?
Oh, 1/2.
1/2. 1/2 is less than 1. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's go one by one. If you substitute 1/8 here, log 1/2 to the 1/8. What is it? How do you figure out? Exactly the same thing. So what? Log 1/2 to the 1/8 equal to set y. Am I right?
Yes.
Convert. What is it?
So y 1/2.
Huh?
Y to the
Huh?
y to the 1/8.
What?
1/2 to the power of y.
Very good. 1/2 to the power y equal to
1/8.
1/8. 1/8 can change it to power of 1/2. Yes?
Yes.
What is it? 1/2 to the what? Good. So what is y? Good. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. So this is 3. I don't want to go this. Let's go to next one. Log 1/2 to the 1 equal to y. What is the convert form? Huh? 1/2 to the equal to 1. Yes?
Yes.
1 means what? 1/2 to the power 0. Am I right? Yes? So what is y? 0.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Keep going more. Log 1/2 base 2. Set y. Convert. What is it?
So 1/2 to the 1.
1/2 to the y equal to
Equal
2. Now, up to you, but I want to change this time this one. Yes? 1/2 means what? 2 to the power what?
to
Eh? Negative what?
-1.
Good. Right? And then power over power is what? 2 to the negative y equal to 2 to the 1. What is y?
1.
-1.
Negative
Oh.
1. Yes? Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes? Do you understand? You can do this. I don't want to go. You will get this. This is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. What was your base?
1/2.
Yeah, it is less than 1. So from here, you should know. Logarithmic function, your base is greater than 1, and then what? Increasing function. As you understand? Logarithmic function, your base is less than 1, and then like previously exponential, your graph is what? Decreasing. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's go to, can I erase this? Yeah, you need the time? I think. It's good? Everybody okay? Let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the question 3. So, to evaluate the log function, you had better go to what? Convert, right? And then exponential is easy. Okay, that's the one of method you can use later also. Okay, part 3. Sketch. No, let me go. And as x approach to negative infinity, f of x goes where? As x approach to positive infinity, both end behavior. F of x goes where? As x approach negative infinity, g of x goes where? As x approach to positive infinity, g of x goes where? And the behavior for f and g. Yes? Let's go. So your f of x is this, right? Are we gonna substitute? So log what? 2 base negative infinity. It's possible or impossible? Oh, I'm sorry. So what? This is a nonsense question. Am I right? Nonsense question, right? Why? Because your domain is what? 0, right? So I will slightly change. Sorry. So it's nonsense. Left hand side is right. So what I want to do is x approach to 0 from the right. F of x goes from the right goes, right? Because what? Your domain is 0 and above. Yes? Am I right? Let's try. Here, yeah. So, it approaches to what? Log 2 base 0 plus, right? Am I right? You know, actually 0 plus is very bad. So what? You had better choose what? Some of a very small number. So 0 plus, I want to choose approximately, let's say, 1 over 2 to the 100. Yes, that's very small. Am I right? Am I right? So this one is what? 2 to the negative 100. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, so 2 to the negative 100. It goes where? Yeah, from the property 3. Property 3, your power can be front. Am I right? Property 3. So this one means what? And then from property 2, this is 1. Am I right? You understand? You understand? Hello? Everybody follow me? So it will go to negative 100, but this is nonsense. I can choose what? Like this. Am I right? You understand what I mean? Yes? So what? And then this one will be what? Something like that. You understand what I mean? Yes? I can choose whatever smaller than that. Yes? So what? It will go to what? Approximately it will go to what? Negative infinity. Do you understand? Yes? Because you can make getting smaller and smaller, right? Yes? Okay. Similarly, how about this? Let's do same thing. Something like that. Yes? Yes? Now, this one, I want to change it to this. Something like that. Am I right? Because what? Negative goes to 1/2. Yes? You understand? Yeah. And then what? 100 front. And then what? Like this. Am I right? So what? It is approximately go to what? Positive infinity. Yes? Everybody follow me? Yep. So you have to get the idea. Okay. Therefore, by these two, when you approach to what? Undefined point, it approaches to negative infinity or positive infinity, it means what? It means what? It is. Because x approach, so that's nothing. So it means you don't have a what? You don't have a, x equals 0 is what? Vertical? Yes. So by this, or by that, we have a vertical asymptote. What is it? Right, x equals 0, y-axis. Am I right? Everybody understand? Am I right? Am I right? Now let's go this. Oops, no space. Let's put the positive infinity. So what? Log 2 base, let's do log 2 base what? Very big number. Let's say 2 to the like this. Yeah? Yes? And then what? This one coming. So it will go to what? Very big. Am I right? Clear? How about this? Log 1/2 base 2 to the like this. Yeah? Everybody follow me? And then what? Here, this one can be log, you see, 1/2. I change it to 1/2 and then what? This one is this. Am I right? You understand? And then what? This one out and then what? It goes to negative infinity. Am I right? So here, right-hand behavior doesn't go to the what? Finite value. So you don't have a what? You don't have a horizontal asymptote. Yes? Understand? So by this or this, we don't have horizontal asymptote. Yes? Understand? Okay, let's go. Trivial 4. Find x or y intercept. Do you have an x-intercept or do you have a y-intercept or do you have a both? What do you have? What do you have? From this, do you have an x-intercept or do you have a y-intercept? Eh?
Y is 0.
Yeah.
X, that's a,
So
X.
you have a like intercept.
Excuse me?
You have a like intercept.
X-intercept. Devin is right. Yes? Because y is 0. X-intercept. Yes? Yeah, you have x-intercept. What is x-intercept? What is x-intercept?
The x equals 1.
And 1, 0. Am I right? Do you understand? You don't have a y-intercept. Why? Because we never go to x is 0. Am I right? No y-intercept. Yes? Here, number 5. Figure. Yeah. Sketch. Okay, so. Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh my God. Yes? Okay, let's graph for f. Let's graph for f. At 1, 8, what is your value?
-3.
Right. Okay, 1, 8. It is -3. Am I right?
Yes.
And 1/4, -2. Am I right?
Yes.
1/2, -1. Yes?
Yes.
At 1,
0.
at 2,
1.
at 4.
2.
Okay, let's connect it. Keep going by the number 3. Keep down by number 3. Yes? So this is graph of what? Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about when base is 1/2? What happened? 1, 8, it is 3.
Yes.
Right? At 1/4, 2. At 1/2, 1. Am I right? At 1, 0. Yes. At 2, -1. At 4, -2. Yes. So your graph is this is graph of what?
Base 1/2.
Isn't it? You should know. You should know. Yes? Good. Any question about these two graphs? And then we understand, oh, how about this graph? What is that? So can I erase this? How about, what's the graph of this? Sketch. What's the graph of h of x? What kind of shifting? From the f.
Oh, to the right?
Eh?
No,
Oh,
down, downward.
Down one.
Downward.
Down one. From the
Yeah.
f. Yes. So what? Down one. This graph means what? Down one. Am I right? From f. From f. So your graph f here, down one. Everything is down. One. Down one. Am I right?
Yes.
Down one. Down one. Down one. Am I right?
Yes.
And graph it. Right? What is this graph?
One right.
What is this graph? From F.
Shifted. One right.
To the right. One. Yes. From F. Yes? Am I right? So let's go. So here, what happened? Originally, your y equal 2 base x has a vertical asymptote at the y-axis. Am I right?
Yes.
Everything needed to be moved to the right one. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is your new vertical asymptote?
X equals 1.
Good job. And then all your graphs shifted to here. So this one moved to here, right? This one moved to here. Am I right? This one moved to here. What? This one moved to here. Am I right? Yes? So what? What's your graph? Oops. Am I right? So what's the domain of this graph? Domain. Visually, what's the domain?
1
One
to
to
infinity.
Good. One not include 1 to infinity. Yes, because everything moved to the right. Very good. Very good. So everybody clear? You have to know that 4 different graphs. Yes, and then you know everything already. You know everything already. Very good. Now, so we done almost everything. And then go to page 348. Can I erase this? Two special log function. First one is common log. It is based with 10. It represented by log x. Yep. Another one, natural log. Is a base E. Represented by ln x. Yes?
Yes.
You learned before. Nothing new. Yes? Yeah? This is 2 common log. 2 special log. Okay, let's now go to the yeah, some practice problem. How about this? We're gonna make some questions. In the book, some of them. Evaluate.
Which problem is it?
I'm trying to explain what? Page 350, example 9, but similar, not the same. So here, because your book not include some of common laws. Yeah, let's do this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go this. Yep. Something in the book, similar to the one, but more than that. Yes. Okay, let's go. What's the base?
10.
Good. So this answer will be value, yes, not including x because no x there, right? Am I right? So your answer will be all the value. So how do you figure out this? What is this? So to answer for this, you have to set what? First job is set as a what? Let's say y or x, doesn't matter. Yes? Am I right? It's dummy name. Okay. And then after that, what do you need to do?
10 to the y equals
Good,
1000.
convert. Yes, convert, right? This is log form, so go to the exponential form. What is it?
10 to the y
y equal to?
1000.
Good. 1000 is what? Power 3, am I right?
Yes.
So what? Same base,
Y
so what?
equals
Y equal to?
3.
Good. How about this? Same thing. Set y, am I right? And then what? Convert. So what is it?
Can we convert it to like the negative exponent form?
It's okay, it's still 10, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
10 to the
Power y.
y equal to 1 over 100. 1 over 100 is what? 10 to
Negative.
the what power?
Negative 100. Negative.
2.
Oh.
So y is what?
2.
Of course, yes. You understand?
Yeah.
Yep. How about this? Set. Oops. Set. Again.
Oh, I get it.
And then what is convert? Oops.
10
10 to the
y.
y equal to what is power? Be careful. 1000 is what? 10 to the power what? Inside? 3. And the root means what?
Over 2.
Very good. Yeah, fraction form, right? Yes. So what? 3 over 2. Am I right? Yes. So what is y? 3/2. Yes. Do you understand? Ah, right. Okay. Any questions so far? Number 4. What is base? E, yes, natural number E, yeah? E is
2.7.
2.71828, da 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 da, yes? So, again, set y and convert. What is it? E to the y equal to e to the what? Eh?
E to the
Negative 8. So what is y? Negative 8. Yes? Very easy. What about this? Set y. Convert. What is it? Oh my what?
E to the y.
E to the y equal to e to the q. So what is y? Oops. Am I right?
Y equals 3.
Isn't it? Yeah. How about this? Convert. What is convert form?
Does y equal 3 halves?
So, e to the y equal to what? E to the what? Yeah, 3/2, right? Yes, 3/2. So what is answer?
3 halves.
Y equal to 3/2. Yes?
Mhm.
Nothing hard. Yes? Yeah, so you know everything, isn't it? Right? Today attendance is very poor. Where is everybody? Dropped?
Did everyone drop?
I don't think so. I checked this morning, nobody dropped.
Oh.
But I think very frustrated, I know.
That's crazy, though.
Okay,
Take a rest day.
now. Okay, now, return back to the 349, application problem. Why we have to learn logarithmic and exponential function? There is a reason. One of application problem, go to 349.
The compound interest.
Application.
Compound interest?
Can be, but I don't want to do because you are not, like an economy or finance major, right? I don't care about. You learn. Okay. Instead of that, we will do example 8.
Oh, is it bacterial growth?
Later, yes. Something. Okay, example 8. We discuss about what? Some from the physics or engineering related. About the what? Loudness, right? Loudness. So, we measure loudness perception by what? Decibel, right? So here. Example 8. The perception of the loudness B in decibel of a sound with physical intensity I is given by, so model is given, B is equal to 10 log I over I0, where I0 is the what? Physical intensity of barely audible sound. This is the bottom line, yes? Okay? Find the, so now question is what? Find the perception of loudness B when physical intensity is 100, I is 100 times of I0. Everybody has a book? I hope.
I have one.
So what? What is given? You have to interpret it. What is given? I'm going to read again. Exactly your book said. Find the decibel level of a sound whose physical intensity I is 100 times that of I sub 0. So what is I? You have I0, but I is what?
Wait, 100 I0?
Very good.
Oh. Okay.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then find decibel B. Am I right? This is question. Yes? You should understand the question first. If not, and then you never go, whatever. Right? Okay. So we know I can be right by using I0. So solve. B equal to 10 times what? Log, what is base?
I over I0.
What is base?
Oh, wait. Oh,
Huh?
10?
10, so, but you don't need to. So I, instead of I, we will gonna use the what? 100 I0 over I0. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? And then I0 cancelled. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So it is 10 times log 100. What is 10 times log 100? Very good. It's a 20 decibel, right? Am I right? How do you know? This one will be by the property 3 is blunt, right? Yes? Okay, so you can measure using this kind of model. So this loudness model is using the logarithmic function, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. Okay, example 10, page 350. And then I will move to the next section. And f of x is given as a function of ln 4 minus x squared. First question, what's the domain? What's the base? What's the base? E. How do you check the domain? Do you remember from the definition?
It has to be greater than 1.
Good. What is greater than 1?
The x. Sorry, wait, no. Exponent?
Whole thing inside should be greater than 1. Greater than what?
0?
Good. So you have to solve what? 4 minus x squared should be greater than 0. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the name of this?
Inequality?
What?
Quadratic, yeah.
How do you want to solve? There's many different ways you can go.
Set it to 0. Equal to 0, and then take the square root.
Anyway, first job. I don't like to keep the negative here. Yes. So everywhere divide or multiply by -1. So it is.
So plus or minus 2.
Ah. And
No.
is this. Am I right?
Mhm.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's factor over. So. Am I right? After that, what did I do? All the time. Hmm? Yeah, so what is solution of equation? -2 and 2, right? But this is inequality, so what?
So whatever is above 0 is the x, right?
What do you mean?
Never mind.
What do you mean? So your interval is divided by 3 parts, yes?
Mhm.
Back. And then what? Trial numbers, yes? Yep. Okay, let's substitute where? Here. Or here, doesn't matter. Okay, substitute. -3 here and then what? 9 minus 4 is less than 0. True or false? False.
False.
Yes.
Yes.
Put 0. 0 minus 4 is less than 0. True.
Yes.
Yes. How about this? 9 minus 4 is less than 0. False. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is it? True? Is true. Yes.
Mhm.
So what's your domain?
Between
Therefore,
-2.
your domain is where?
Between -2 and 2.
-2, 2, 2. This is your answer. Yes? Do you understand? It's good? Yeah. I don't want to pick up any exercise because all review. So you have to practice first and you don't know and then make a question. I don't want to go opposite way. Let's go 4.4.
I have a question.
Yes.
First. So, I mean, couldn't you just do, you could just find the zeros without doing the trial numbers though, and then you could,
Say again?
you don't have to necessarily do the trial numbers to find the zeros.
Yeah, you can test any number. Yeah. But I choose a 0 as an easy one.
No, I'm saying like, okay, so you could just say x is plus or minus 2 and then write the interval, right?
I know you guys here. What if another way to go is what? Maybe you guys are happy to this. I think. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
And then I know you guys want to do this,
And
right?
then plus or minus 2. And then write an interval notation.
This is not yet. Because I ask your answer should be what? Interval notation. What that mean is?
But if it's plus or minus 2, then it would be -2, comma 2.
So here you have to determine. This is inequality. Am I right? So it is inside or outside. That you have to know. So test by, see, this one is same thing. Test by some number. If I put the -1, true or not true?
True.
Good. If I put the -3, true or not true?
True.
False.
Yeah. If I put 3,
False.
yeah. If I put the -1.99,
True.
good. So what is interval? Inside or outside?
Inside. Wait,
Ins-
I don't understand the inside part.
Here you said, here you said
What do you mean by inside?
-1.99 is true, right?
Yeah.
1.99 is true. Yes.
Yes.
0 is true. Is
Yeah.
it inside or outside?
I don't understand the inside or outside.
Here.
I don't understand.
Your answer can be what? Among this line. Here is -2, here is 2. Your answer is what?
Inside.
That's right.
Okay. It's between.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now up to you. Okay. You have to know. Okay, let's move to the next section. Nothing new. Page 4.4. I'm sorry, section 4.4, page 354. Laws. But, yeah, what laws? Here. Log. C base 8 plus log. How about times b is equal to log c base a plus log c base b. Additional formula, right? 2 log c base a over b is equal to log c base a minus log c base b. Am I right? Subtraction formula, yes? One more, and later. Page 357. Change of
Base
base
formula.
formula. What is it? It is
Is it C over A?
hmm?
Is it C over A?
log a base x is equal to log c base a log c base x.
Oh, yeah.
So we change it to new base. Yes?
Mhm.
I introduced these three. Okay, let's go using this. What kind of things we can discuss? Okay, what about, oops. Page 355. Evaluate log 4 base 2 plus log 4 base 32. How do you evaluate? This one will be the value, yes? Am I right? Isn't it?
Yeah, okay.
To answer for, this is 5, this is 2. How do you answer? What kind of law you can use?
The first one?
Good. So from addition to, you can go opposite way to make a single law. Am I right?
Yes.
Why? Because you have a same base. Am I right? So it is equal to, oops. It is equal to what?
Log base 4, 2 times 32.
Good. Sixty-four can be the power of 4. Am I right? What power? Huh?
12.
What power?
4.
Uh-uh. Power 2 is what?
16.
Good. 16 multiply 4 is what? Hmm? Of course 64.
Oh.
So what's the power? So what did you answer?
Y equals 3? Is that what you know?
3.
Okay.
Why? Because the previous time property 3. Yes. Isn't it?
Mhm.
And property 2. Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
Isn't it? If you don't know, make a question. Yeah. Okay, number 2. Log what? Log 2 base 80 minus log 2 base 5. How do you wanna evaluate?
So,
By log 2. Am I right?
mhm.
So how do you write down? 2 base what?
80 over 5.
Right, 80 over 5. So what is it? This is 16. Am I right? Huh? So what? Log 2 base 16 is what? 2 to the what power?
3?
Eh,
Right.
4.
4.
Oh, okay.
So what is answer? 4. Am I right?
Mhm.
Yes? Isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, nothing hard, right? Nothing hard. Right? Okay. Okay, how about example 2? Expanding or combining?
Oh, I love these. What page?
Same page. 355. Now, what is the question? Expand. One, I will skip 8 because it's too easy. Log 5. 6. Yeah, how do you want to expand? So from one single log to make a what? Multiple log, right? That means expanded. How do you make it?
Log base 5. X. Wait. Shit. I don't remember.
Eh?
Wait, x cubed
Uh-huh.
plus y to the 6th.
Eh?
Plus log y to the 6th.
Don't stop here. By the property 3,
And then 3
right?
log
So your
5x.
answer is
3 plus 6.
yeah that.
am I right?
Mhm.
Understand? Nothing hard. Yes.
Yeah.
How about Ellen? What do you want to do?
Log a.
Ellen?
Sorry, natural log a plus natural log b.
Yeah, let's
Minus.
go from the big picture to small picture. You're right, but
Okay.
Ellen, what? C to the power what?
2/3.
Eh?
Wait, 3 halves.
Huh?
Wait, what?
What?
2/3? No. 1/3.
Yeah. And then you have to go this one further, right?
Uh-huh.
So, Ellen,
A plus b.
plus Ellen, B, minus
1/3
1/3
ln c.
Ellen, C.
Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah.
Very easy. Huh? Easy?
Yes.
Opposite. Next page, 356, example 3. Now, express okay, number 1, opposite. So 3 log x plus 1/2 log x plus 1. So from the 2 log to 1 log.
Can I do
What-
it on, can I do it on the board?
Yeah, come.
Okay. I don't know if it'll be right.
Mhm.
Oh, can I get extra credit?
One more, and then I will give extra credit. No.
Oh no. Okay, wait. 3 log x plus 1/2
Go step by step, one by one. I know. How about you wanna do by one shot? You wanna get a solution?
Okay.
Passing through the saber step. So your previous one I like. Previous one I like it.
Wait, the one before?
Yeah. Starting point, that is starting point.
So in parentheses log?
No, I don't, yeah, just log.
Oh,
So turn by turn. First part goes what? Log,
log.
what?
X cubed
Yeah, write down. And now plus
plus,
what?
what is it, 1/2 log X? Oh, it's, wait, is it log 1, X plus 1 to the 1/2?
Very good, write down. Yeah. Okay, next. What do you want to do?
Oh, and that is the square root of X plus 1?
Yeah,
Okay.
write down. Now,
And then,
good job.
oh, yes.
Yes, everybody can do, right? Okay? How about this one?
I remember algebra.
No? Anybody? Anybody?
We'll do another one.
Huh?
We'll do another one.
Try. Oh, Magnolia. Yeah, come. Oh no, four.
Oh, four.
And then? Hmm? Be careful. If you wanna do this first, and then what is better? We write by what? Subtract and then inside plus. Yeah, and then SPQ minus parentheses, and then square root T plus, yes, plus, and then T squared, isn't it? Plus 1 to the power 4. Yeah, here this one is what? This bracket. Am I right? And then you should finish this first, equal to good. Parentheses. You don't need it, but equal to I erase it. No ln anymore. Good. Very good. Yep. Very good. Yeah. Good, good. Everybody understand? Everybody understand?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So that's the job you have to do. Expand or represent by a single log, right? Is it good? Okay, very good. And then let's try to understand by one of the word problem. So 356, example 4, application. Yep. So how can we use this function? So here, if a task is learned at a performance level p sub 0, and then after a time interval t, the performance level p is represented by log p is equal to log p sub 0 minus what? C times log
T plus
t
1.
plus 1. Here, this is the model about the performance level. Yes? Here, C means the constant depending on the what? Type of task. And T is measured in month. Yes? Okay, and then part A. Solve for P. So you need to isolate P. Am I right? What do you want to do first? What do you want to do? I have a P here, so I don't have any P here. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do? Hmm? I want to make a single log. Am I right? Using property 2. Am I right? Am I right? So left hand side is left hand side. Log what?
P
Eh? Single log.
sub 0.
No. What is that? Single log. What do you need? How do you make a single log?
P.
Yes? So what? Hmm? No. Yeah. You wanna go further? Okay, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Am I right? And then how do you want to change? Hmm?
Just divide them? Or-
Yes. Am I right? Am I right? So what? Left hand side is single log, right hand side is single log. So what? Same base 10, so what? You can say what? P is equal to what? P0 over what? T plus 1 to the C. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah? Now, so you done. Okay? B. What is B? What? If your score on a history test is 90, that's what? Baseline, yes? So, P of 0 was 90, right? And what? What is the score? Would you expect to get a similar test after 2 months? What? T is what? 2. Am I right? Yes? And then what is your P of 2? 2 months later. Here your C is what? Given C is, history is what? 0.2. Am I right? And then 2 months later with this kind of understanding, right? This is a history subject, right? The learning coefficient. You can guess. 2 months later, your score is up or down. If you make this kind of effort, we don't know. But Yeah, let's apply here. Yes? So, let's go. So, P over 2 is equal to what? From this formula, 90 over, yes, 2 plus 1 to the what? 0.2. Am I right? Am I right? Using calculator, what is it? Approximately 72. What? If your effort is like that, then what? Getting worse and worse, right? We should not do that. Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay, so that's the way we can use that. Okay, one example for base of change. Yeah, 358. Example 5. Evaluate log 805. Log 85. When we knew that log 2 is equal to 8 and log 5 log 5 equal to b. Of course, you can, yeah. No, just do this. You know what? What's the base?
10.
10. And your calculator. Log 2 is what? 0.7 something. Log 2 is 0.7 something. I don't remember. Isn't it? Log 10 is what? Log 2 is what? Base 10. I forgot. 0.72 or something like that. By my memory. What is log 2? What, huh? What is log 2?
Log 2 is 0.30.
My memory is very bad, right? What is it?
0.30.
1, 2, something like that, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
1299.
No, I forgot about that. Anyway, it's okay. So, and then it means what? Everything needed to change it to base 10. Am I right? Yes? I don't want to ask this one in the exam, frankly. So what? Here, using the change of base. Using the change of base, let's use the what? Base 10. So what it is equal to what? Log 10 base 5. Log 10 base 8. Am I right? Is equal to log what? 5 means what? 10 base 2. Am I right? You understand? This is what? Log 10 base 2 to the cube. Am I right? You follow me? Is equal to, here from the previous law, it is what? Log 10 minus log 2. Am I right? This is what? 3. Log 2. Am I right? Do you understand it? So I change the base 10. Yes, this is key. And then what? Substitute. Yeah. So it is what? 1 minus 0.3012, 3 times what? 0.3012. It is approximately something, yes? Am I right? Understand? So this is the way to you use the what? Change of base, yes? Yeah, it's useful if you know. Okay. I don't go. Okay? No exercise. You have to practice. You don't know, anytime I'm happy to go. Yes, but I don't want to pick up because it's all review. Because I'm more worried about the what? Trigonometry. How you understand later. That's I'm very concerned about it. Okay, so 4.5. What do you need to learn? Exponential equations, logarithmic equations. So it means what? Y is fixed, am I right? So only x around. So what's the goal of equation? Solve it and find the solution, am I right? Function is given, what is your goal? Graph it. And analyze the graph, yes? Very good. So here directly I will go to example. Nothing, so. Solve. 1 and 5 to the x equal to 125. 2. 5 to the 2x equal to 5 to the x plus 1. 3. And 3 x plus 2 equal to 7. 4. 8 e to the 2x equal to 20. 5 e to the 2x (6) 3x e to the x plus x squared e to the x equal to 0. This question is from page 361 through 363. What's the name of each equation? What's the name? Yeah, because the power x here and everything represented exponential, right? Good. How to solve number 1? Very easy, starting from easy one. What do you want to do to solve this? Solve means what? Find x. Am I right?
Yes.
So how to? What do you want to do?
Isolate X.
Hmm?
Isolate.
Hmm? Say again?
Isolate X.
Number 1, you have a 5 to the x equal to 125. What do you want to do?
5 to the third.
Same base. So what?
5 to the third. 5
Good. 125 is 5 to the third, right? Very good. So rewrite it. So what is x? Because same base. Yes? Good? Isn't it? Very simple and easy. How about number 2? Still easy.
2x.
Right, you have already same base. So what? You can solve. Right? That's it. Yes. Very simple. How about number 3? There is a no common base, right? Number 3, there is no common base. What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do? How you can make a x to the normal position, not the power position? What do you need to do?
Set it to log.
Huh?
That's a log.
Say again?
Do the log 3 over x plus 2 equals log 7.
What is your base?
3.
Anything okay. Yeah, 3 will be good. Yeah, 3 will be good. But not necessary. So what? Take log 3 both. Yes? Right? And then what do you have? And
X plus
here.
2 equals 7.
Log 3 base 3 to the x plus 2 equal to log 3 base what? 7. Am I right? And then what? To the left hand side? This one is coming front. Yes. And then what do you have? Your left hand side become what? X plus 2 equal to what? Log 3 base 7. Am I right? So what is your x? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing hard. It's good? Or you can use the convert, but it's fine. How about number 4? What do you want to do first?
Take the natural log of it? No.
Not yet. Yeah, later. What do you want to do first? Huh?
Oh, divide first,
Divide by what?
not 8.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Divide by 8. So what? Okay. Am I right? And simplify. And so we have. What do you need to do?
Take the natural log
Yes, take.
of both sides.
And then what do you have? ln e to the 2x equal to ln 5/2. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
And then if this one front, then left hand side become what? 2x equal to ln 5/2. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Divide by 2. What they mean this? Am I right? It's good? Good. How about 5? Hint. And then you can rewrite this one by what? Looks like a what? Is it looks like a what? If e to the x is like a, and then looks like a what? Let's say this is a, let's say this is a, and then what? Looks like what?
Quadratic.
Good. And the factor over, am I right? Very good. Yeah, so we can factor out by what? Am I right? So, isn't it? Isn't it? And then by the zero factor property, am I right? But this one is nonsense. Why? Exponential function is always above 0. Am I right?
Mhm.
So, impossible. So what? This is only the answer, but not yet. So, what is your answer? How do you represent by x?
Natural log of 3.
Yeah, convert, right?
Yeah.
And then what? X equal to ln 3. That's it. Is good? How about 6? What is a common factor? Can I erase this? What is a common factor? X what? Hmm?
X e to that.
Good. So common factor is x e to the x, and then what is the remainder? Eh? Good. Isn't it? By the zero factor property, it means what? X equals 0 or e to the x equals 0 or x equals -3. Am I right? Here, is it possible or impossible?
Not possible.
Not possible, right? So what did you answer? Only this is your answer. Yes? It's good? It's good? Yeah, that's it. So you're already done. Exponential equations, yes? Simple, right? Very simple. Seven of those. One. What? Log. Yeah, this much. I don't want to go much more. And then what's the name of these 5 equations? Logarithmic equations, yes? Yeah? Okay. How do you solve? First one. How do you want to solve first one? Yeah.
Would you put the right side together first?
Very good. Very good. Together. Right. Log what?
Based on that?
Am I right? And then what? One single logo, same base, right? So from here, compare inside and inside, right? Am I right? Am I right? Yes? And expand. Yeah? Answer? But after you solve the logarithmic equation, remember, check. Always. If you don't pass through this step, you will mistake. Why? Here is the reason. So check what? How to check? Substitute this one, original here. And what do you need to check? What's the definition of log? I want to emphasize again. Your input part should be always positive, am I right? Your input part make a 0 or negative and then what? Clean up. That one is not solution. Yes, it is extraneous solution. So here, you put 7 here, positive. No problem. Am I right? You put 7 here, yeah, actually original. 7 here, positive. Am I right? 7 here, positive. 7 here, positive, right? Okay, so accept it. Do you understand? Huh? Put back to what? Original equation and what? Your input should be positive. Am I right? Good. So you're done. How about number 2? What do you need? How do you solve number 2? Hmm?
They're the same base. And then X.
Not good idea. Very easy. What do you need?
You said convert?
That's right. That's right. Good, Rachel. Convert. And then what is the exponential form? What? What is it? What is formula? Memorize it, please.
E8
What? E what?
E8.
No. What?
E to the
X to the
Uh-uh.
E to the power of 8.
E to the power what?
8
Yes.
equals X.
Equal to X. That's it? Yes. Isn't it? Yeah. How about number 3? What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do?
Bring 4 to
I don't think so. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Bring 3.
Excuse me?
3.
No?
would we convert to?
Yeah, isn't it? Convert again.
I'm looking at it before.
And then what is the equivalent to exponential form?
2 to the power of 3
Equal to?
equals 25 minus X.
Very good. Very good. So what? X equal to 25 minus 8. So what is it? 17. Yes? Am I right? You know what? Here, check. What do you need to check? Actually, trivial, so I don't go to. Your X is here and then positive. Am I right? Yeah? Am I right? And check. 17 here and then what? Positive. Am I right? Good. You understand? Okay, number 4. What do you want to do? Step 1.
Bring 4 to
Subtract
Yeah,
4.
subtract 4. Very good. So what?
And then divide 3.
Very good. Yeah. Next.
Take the log of both sides. Log 10? No?
You have already logo. So what do you want to do?
Convert?
Convert.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, duh.
You don't have
Com-
a log on the other side, so you would convert, right?
Not a good idea. Convert, right? Right? And then what is the equivalent? 10 to the
To the 4th,
equal to?
2x.
Good. So X is what? 5,000. Yes?
Okay.
Check. Yeah. Of course, trivial because 5,000 here and then true. Yes? Am I right? How about G? 5. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Combine the logs.
Very good. Left hand side combined. Very good. Ali, right? No, oh,
David.
David. Sorry. Okay, so combine. Send the what? Your left hand side should be log. X plus 2 times what? X minus 1 is equal to 1. Am I right? What do you want to do next? Convert. Yes, convert.
Log base 10.
No log anymore.
Oh, my bad. 10.
10 to the power
1.
1 equal to,
X plus 2.
yeah, x plus 2 what?
Times X minus
Yes, and expand. So what is it?
1.
X squared plus x minus 2 minus 8, oh sorry, 10. 10 equal to 0. Am I right? So what? X squared plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Factor over, right? So what? X plus 4, x minus 3 equal to 0. Am I right? So now, looks like x equal negative 4 or x equal 3, but
X
check.
equals 3.
Huh?
X equals 3, right? Because
Why?
it can't
Check.
be less than 0.
Right. So substitute this one and substitute this one. You put the negative 4 here, what happened? Negative, right? You understand? So forget about this. This is what? Extraneous solution. Am I right? How about 3? Put 3 positive. Put 3 positive. It's okay. Yes? Good. So you're done. And your solution is only 3. Yes? Good. Last one, and then maybe today I finish because it's my second time teaching, so maybe I go fast. I'm sorry, but page 366, application, and then I'm done. Looks like you guys not too bad to understand this material. Very good. I'm happy. Okay. Application example 12. I will gonna introduce because it's a science related. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Transparency of a lake. So, if I sub-zero and I denote the intensity of light before and after going through a material, and x is the distance in feet the light travel in the material. Looks like one of example passes through the what? Ocean, right? And then your material is water, right? Yep. And then the modeler did, the intensity can be represented by this formula. ln yep, here they explain K means the constant depending on what material is water and then sticky water or clear water. Yes, isn't it? That's make a difference of K value. Okay. A, like a very similar. Solve for I. How do you isolate I? What do you want to do first? I is here, am I right? How do you
multiply it by negative 1 over k?
multiply by negative K?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what I meant.
Yeah. So multiply both by negative K, yes?
Yeah,
Okay? Because I want to clean up this. Good. Yeah? And then what I have, this side is cancelled, and then what? And then I over I0 equal to what? Negative kx. Am I right? What do you want to do next? What do you want to do next? How you can take I out? Convert. You know, talk about convert maybe more than 50 times today. Yes? Convert. And then what is convert to exponential form?
10.
No.
Oh no, E. Oh.
E.
Yeah.
What?
Um,
Minus kx is power, right? Yes. Minus kx equal to what?
1 I over I.
Good job.
0.
And then solve for I. So multiply I0. So I0 times what? Yes. Am I right? Am I right? We done for part A. Yes. B. What is the question? For a certain lake, K is what? 0.025. And what? And the light intensity is 14 lumen. Yeah? And then what is the question? Find the light intensity I at a depth of 20 feet. X equal what? 20 feet. Find I. Am I right? So what do you need? Substitute. Right? And then solve. So what is it? So here, I of 20 equal to, what? I0 is 14 times e to the minus 0.025 times what? 20. So calculator, you can do. And then it is approximately 8.49. Lumen, right? Yes, good. You have more examples about the compound interest. Also use the logarithmic function, and also another growth on investment also using the logarithmic function. I don't want to go. So stop here. Next time, almost I'm done this section, but I want to make a balance with another class. 4.6. What is important? You mentioned that bacteria growth.
Yeah.
And then we will move to what? Real material for trigonometry. Yes. So almost. Here, quiz 3, we're going to talk about what? All logarithmic and exponential equations and functions. Am I right? All chapter 4. Yes. So during the weekend, today is Monday, so of course we have more time, but study. Yes. We will keep going, whatever anyway. But quiz 3 is related with chapter 4. Yes?
4.1 through what?
4.5.
Okay.
Yeah. 4.6 is in the, one of the problem, 4.6 is in the what? Test 2
Oh, okay.
as a word problem. Okay? And I have to discuss with you.